Alright, I'm back at home base, and I just made myself a new iced coffee because I couldn't figure out why I was freaking grumpy. So this glass is truly fitting. Coffee is like my AM ritual. And this morning I made some bootleg version. Obviously my soul wasn't satisfied. So I can't think properly till, I have my coffee. So we're restarting my day. Take two. And this is how I communicate with my spirit team and my higher self. Everything is in codes. You need to catch the signs and ask the questions. They deliver. And they have jokes at times too. If you saw my earlier post, I took Lola to the park. Got her on camera. She hates it. But while I was filming, a car drives by with a plate that says Saw. I'm like, what is spirit telling me? Watch the movie? Or I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Either way, I freaking clocked it. But that's a song that just popped into my head right now. And I had to sing it. So I come back home and I take Zoe out on her slow-mo grandma walk. She's 14 years old. Boom, another plate drives by and catches my attention. This one has the word see. I'm like, all right, see, saw, what are we doing, spirit? Back and forth, up and down, that wobble energy, which has been the theme lately in my life. And as I'm laughing at myself for overthinking, another plate rolls by and this one says new. That's the decode. Seesaw season's done, new cycle, new balance. So all the organized chaos to shift out of groundhog loop worked, and that was my confirmation. But also, that's when it hit me. This is exactly what it feels like when you first wake up. You start clocking signs, seeing the patterns, noticing the numbers. Things you used to brush off suddenly stick out like they're meant for you. You feel different, food tastes off, people feel weird, the world feels fake, but you're not crazy. You're just unplugging from a system. So, welcome to level 1. This isn't real life. It's a spiritual board game. And you just got your player token. But here's the thing. You can't win if you keep playing by their rules. You gotta unplug. You gotta unplug from the news, from the noise, from the distractions designed to keep you small. Because your real messages, they don't come from a screen. Well, unless I'm delivering them like this. But doom scrolling, you're not gonna see any signs like that. They come from your gut, from nature, from silence, from food that actually fuels you. That's when your higher self starts talking, and that's when source drops codes. That's when you realize you were never crazy. You were just chosen to see through the madness, to choose yourself through the noise. Now I'm going to finish caffeinating myself so I can properly function for today, and I'm going to start cooking. So there's some things that I want to be testing out and trying. So once I sit down, I'm going to read journal and see if I could organize the chaos of ideas in my brain and see if I could formulate, how to do something educational while fun. 313 on the timer. Hi, Dad. So, with that being said, I'm going to figure it out. Also, I pulled out an egg because I'm going to do an egg cleanse. And I've mentioned that in a previous energy cleansing video. Being I actually have the egg out, I will be showing you how to do the egg cleanse, how to read your egg, how to dispose of it, and keep it moving. So a quick little energy cleansing session. There's a lot of 101s going on here. So if you like what I'm sharing, give me a follow, give me a comment, give me a like, save it for later, because TikTok apparently, gives us points for every little action that you take. Call it a gold star. So give me some gold stars here, people. But tap back in and see what I'm sharing. And of course, if this piques your interest, go find the rabbit hole on YouTube, because this is my third account, so they've wiped out a lot of my content and I'm slowly archiving it there. So come back for more and subscribe to my YouTube.